There's a quiet moment when you realize wealth isn't just money. It begins as a thought. Could I start from nothing and build something real? It's scary, because the truth hits. You have nothing but potential. And yet, here's the secret. Building wealth starts in the mind, not the bank. Most people think money comes from luck or connections, but the real barrier is invisible. Your own beliefs about scarcity and worth. Fear whispers, you'll never start. You'll fail. You're too late. And that's where psychology comes in. Your brain has been wired to survive, not to thrive. Neuroscience shows your brain adapts when you challenge old beliefs. Every time you think differently about money, your mind literally rewires itself. And emotions matter. Scarcity breeds anxiety, shame, and hesitation. Compassion and curiosity toward yourself open the door to action. The first step is small, a mindset shift, not a bank account. You begin to see opportunity where others see risk. Consistency matters more than intensity. One smart decision compounds into another, and failure becomes a teacher, not a sentence. Psychologists call this delayed gratification, resisting comfort today for freedom tomorrow. Self-belief isn't naive. It's a muscle you strengthen with action. You'll confront internal resistance. That's normal. And gradually, the impossible becomes routine. By 2026, wealth isn't just money. It's freedom, clarity, and choice. It starts in the mind, grows with habits, and blossoms in consistency. Every step from nothing rewires your brain, builds resilience, and shapes identity. And when you look back, you see the journey itself was the wealth. Because true wealth in 2026 isn't only money. It's freedom, choice, and the courage to start from zero.